Pre-market summary for Indian stock market. Trading of Nifty 50 index futures on the Singapore Stock Exchange indicates that the Nifty could drop 58 points at the opening bell. The central government's NSO office on Wednesday released India's gross domestic product (GDP) data for the January to March quarter, Q4 FY 2023. In Q4 FY 23, GDP growth was at 6.1% compared to 4.4% growth rate witnessed in Q3. Overall, the growth in FY 23 fiscal is better than expected to 7.2%. However, the FY 23 growth has slowed down from 9.5% growth in FY 22. Overseas, Asian stocks are trading mixed on Thursday as investors remained cautious amid the passage of U.S. debt ceiling bill and the release of manufacturing data of several Asian countries, including China. U.S. stocks slipped on Wednesday as investors kept an eye on the federal debt ceiling debate in Washington in the final trading day of May. The House of Representatives passed a bill to suspend the $31.4 trillion debt ceiling on Wednesday, with majority support from both Democrats and Republicans, avoiding a catastrophic default. The Republican-controlled House voted 314 to 117 to send the legislation to the Senate, which must enact the measure and get it to President Joe Biden's desk. Back home, domestic equity benchmarks corrected on Wednesday, due to profit selling after a four-day gaining streak. Global cues were weak as investors worried about the approval of raising the U.S. debt ceiling and the economic outlook for China. The barometer index, the S&P BSE Sensex, declined 346.89 points or 0.55% to 62,622.24. The Nifty 50 index lost 99.45 points or 0.53% to 18,534.40. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, bought shares worth 3,405.90 crore, while domestic institutional investors, DIEs, were net sellers to the tune of 2,528.52 crore in the Indian equity market on 31st of May, provisional data showed. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.